Is lashing a profitable business? Yes. Let's do some math really quick. On average, a classic set is charged $100. A classic set typically takes 2 to 3 hours. That puts you between $50 to $30 an hour. If you do 6 sets in a day, that's pretty good money. Now that's not something that you can do consistently every single day, but lashing is set up in a way that it gives you the freedom to grow. It gives you the freedom to grow your brand so that you could either have people working underneath you, you could raise your prices so that you are making more than $100 an hour. You could pivot in this industry too. You can create a brand, you could create a salon. There's so many different things and different ways that you can go within the lash industry. So yeah, lashing's pretty profitable. So when you start in this industry, you're probably going to need another part-time job in order to make ends meet. When you start, you're building your clientele. You are putting those flyers out, you are talking to as many people as you can about getting lashes. And as you build your book, that's when the profit starts coming in, because then you have your regular clients that you would get every 2 to 3 weeks, and you could start predicting how much you are going to make on a monthly basis. And what that does is it kicks out, for lack of better words, clients that are at a different price point than what you are now offering. And that opens up availability for clients that are available and willing to pay a little bit more for lashes. So now what you're doing is you're raising what you're making every month. You do that a couple more times through the year, and then you bring someone else on that you're training. So now you have your lash business with someone underneath you that you're making a commission off of. That's growing your brand. That's how you grow your business. And eventually, most people will open a salon. Now there's, like I said, many different ways to pivot. I've seen people in this industry who started selling retail products, who started selling lash products and lash brands within the industry. I've seen people that have started podcasts within the industry, LashCon, lash conferences. The sky's the limit. And being so new in this industry, there's only like different places that we are able to go that we haven't even uncovered yet. The bottom line is there's so much potential and growth available within the lash industry. If you are on the fence and wanting to start a career in the lash industry, jump in, just do it. This has been another episode of Lash Executives, where we give you tips and tricks that we've learned along the way. Don't forget to subscribe down below, click that bell. Thank you, and stay beautiful.